time we had discussed something, the person hits the bottle in the evening and gets excruciating pain, aggravation of gout by an alcoholic drink. And we had said why it happened was because NADH NAD रेशो इंक्रीज हो गई थी, उससे लैक्टिक एसिड लेवल बढ़ गया था, which interfered with renal excretion of uric acid. That's the correct explanation. But I found several students at various places, they say that answer given is that the alcoholic beverages, they have got high content of purine. तो ज़्यादा प्यूरिन इनटेक होगा तो ज़्यादा यूरिक एसिड बन जाएगा. Conceptually attractive, but let us examine it in the face of reality. Purines, even if we take something that will never ever contribute to increased uric acid level. Reason, because purines are number one, poorly absorbed from the intestine. Number two, whatever absorbed never crosses limits of the intestinal mucosa. What I mean to say, जो प्यूरिन एब्जॉर्ब भी हो गया वो म्यूकोजल सेल के अंदर ही डिग्रेड होकर इट विल फॉर्म यूरिक एसिड. So there is no evidence that hyperuricemia will occur by ingested purines. So this argument falls flat in face of these observations. I read somewhere, please evaluate its worthwhile, कि humans are prototropic as far as purines are concerned. Because we do not depend on ingested purine, we are dependent only upon the endogenous synthesis of purine. You're all aware of salvage pathway, de novo pathway, etc. Second erroneous argument which I come across repeatedly is that raised NADH NAD ratio converts urate to uric acid. Urate is the deprotonated form, uric acid is the corresponding protonated form. All of you know that this interconversion is dependent only upon one factor, that is relative value of pK and pH. pK of uric acid is 5.75. तो जब भी pH 5.75 से कम होगा, urate will be converted to uric acid. And whenever pH will be raised above this, uric acid will donate a proton and form urate. That is the only factor which determines this deprotonated protonated conversion, interconversion. NADH NAD ratio has whatsoever nothing to do with this. So these two erroneous arguments. So I thought that just by way of clarification. Thank you so much.